three-letter verbs in Igbo language. The first one we have is sa, which is watch. Example, sa efere, wash plate. The second one we have is rie, which is eat. Example, rie nri, which is eat food. The third one we have is ngo, which is drink. Example, ngo mmiri, which is drink water. The next one we have is za, which is sweep. Example, za olo, which is sweep the house. The next one we have is ta, which is chew. Example, ta anu, chew meat. The next one we have is zo, which is hide. Example, zo akagi, hide your hand.